Did you know blueberries actually come in different colors? The problem is you just haven't seen it yet. The variety is actually called pink lemonade. And yes, this is a real thing. And before you say those are unripe blueberries, go look it up for yourself. That variety is actually known for having a pretty tart tasting blueberry. Yes, some people swear they taste like lemonade, but that's only because it's so tart. But it really tastes like a blueberry. And those pretty berries are actually a good conversation starter because they're aesthetically pleasing to look at. Some of y'all actually like growing different colored berries like me, and I think that's pretty cool. And if you actually want to grow them, I can tell you everything you need to know about them. So here's what you need to know. These things actually grow really well in zones 4 through 8. And you can grow them in containers. They actually get about 4 feet tall. That just means you can only put one of those blueberry bushes in those containers. And that variety is one of the easiest ones to grow for you beginner gardeners. If you decide to actually grow in these containers, by the time it gets to its maturity height, it'll be the perfect size for picking blueberries. And lastly, the most important thing is, when do they give you berries? They typically give you berries at the end of July and August. So if you stick around till next year, maybe these things will be big enough so I can show you a few of those berries.